Are you looking for the best fenders electric bikes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best fenders electric bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Heybike Brawn Electric Bike for Adults. Introducing the Heybike Brawn Electric Bike. A powerful and versatile electric bike designed for adults. With its upgraded humanized design, including a retro light sensing headlight and backlit LCD display, this bike is not only stylish but also user-friendly. The removable large battery provides a range of 45-68 miles per full charge and can be charged in just 4 hours. The 750 watts powerful motor allows for a max speed of 28 mph and offers 3 riding modes and 5 levels of pedal assist. The hydraulic safety system, with high-strength hydraulic suspension front fork and hydraulic dual disc brakes, ensures a smooth and safe ride. With automatic seat adjustment, you can easily customize your riding experience. Don't miss out on the Heybike Brawn electric bike, a reliable and convenient choice for all your biking needs. Number 2. Frey 750 watts electric bike. The Frey 750 watts electric bike is a powerful and versatile electric bike designed for adults. It features a 750 watts Bafang brushless rear hub motor, providing strong climbing power and a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour. The bike is equipped with a removable 48 volts 15Ah Samsung cells lithium-ion battery, allowing for a range of 35-80 miles depending on the riding mode. It also comes with hydraulic disc brakes and a downhill suspension fork, providing a smooth and safe riding experience even in adverse conditions. With its high-quality aluminium alloy frame, Shimano 7-speed shift gear, and comfortable fat tires, the Frey electric bike offers excellent riding performance for long trips and daily commutes. Plus, it comes with professional customer service and easy installation. Number 3. AO-STEREA Electric Mountain Bike. The AO-STEREA Fat Tire Bike is a powerful electric mountain bike designed for adults. With its 750 watts motor and removable 48 volts 13Ah lithium battery, it offers a strong driving force and can ride 25 to 35 kilometers in pure electric mode. The bike features 3 working modes: Ebike, pedal-assisted, and normal pedaled, providing high comfort and allowing you to switch between modes for different riding experiences. Made of light and strong 6061 aluminium alloy frame, the bike is easy to assemble and of high quality. It also comes equipped with headlights, SWU LCD, aluminium suspension fork, and F/R disc brake. The 26x4.0-inch tires provide excellent traction, making it suitable for riding over various terrains such as beach, snow, gravel, and more. With a guarantee for 365 days and quality customer service, the AO-STEREA Fat Tire Bike is a great choice for e-bike enthusiasts. Number 4. Xico Fat Tire Electric Bike. The Xico electric bike is a powerful and versatile e-bike designed for adults. With its 750 watts motor and 48 volts 15Ah battery, it can reach a top speed of 34 miles per hour and cover up to 65 miles on a single charge. The removable battery makes it convenient to charge, whether at home or work. The bike offers 5 different modes to suit various riding preferences, including a walk mode for effortless pushing, a power mode for pedal-assisted riding, and a cruise mode for pure electric riding. The 26 inches by 4 inches fat tires provide excellent traction on any terrain, while the dual mechanical brakes and front suspension ensure safety and comfort. With its all-terrain adaptability, accessories like a headlight, horn, and phone holder with USB charger, and a 3.5 inches intelligent LCD display, the Xico electric bike offers a convenient and enjoyable riding experience. Number 5. Viv F26F Electric Bike. The Viv F26F e-bike is a powerful electric bike designed for adults. With its 500 watts brushless motor, it can reach a top speed of 25 miles per hour, making it perfect for mountain or trail riding. The removable 48 volts 13-hour lithium-ion battery provides a range of up to 50 miles per charge, allowing for long-distance commuting or exploring the beach and snow. Equipped with 26 inches x 4.0 all-terrain fat tires, this e-bike offers confidence and stability in various environments. Choose from 3 working modes to suit your needs, whether it's using the e-bike mode for long-distance travel, the bicycle mode for exercise, or combining the two. The LCD display shows important information such as support modes, speed, battery level, and mileage. With a 7-speed transmission system, cruise control, LED headlight, horn, and reliable disc brakes, the Viv F26F e-bike ensures a safe and enjoyable ride. Assembly is easy, and the product comes with a 1-year warranty on key components.